So good morning dear students, welcome to NEET World. So like we started NEET Long Term batches. So like we decided in the orientation session itself, like we described, okay, what is it? We will be doing basic maths for first few days, the first session. After that you will be having the normal, your subject topics, that is physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. So in the first class of basic maths, what did we do? We did what? Some warm up exercises regarding squares, all these things, which we will do it again. But today we will be doing one very important thing where most of you think you know but you don't know actually, or you might have forgotten, okay, because of lack of practice. That is simplification and approximation. Simplification and approximation. Okay, if you look at this simplification and approximation, if you look at this, so see here, am I audible? Check once. Phone, I'll check it here itself, no problem. So see here. Yeah, it's fine. So see here. Okay, done. So when it comes to simplification and approximation, why this is important? Because any question in physics, if you do, okay, numericals question if you do, first you will apply the concept. Definitely you must know the concept, then only you can know how to start the question. The approach to the question means what? You should know how to start the question. That is very important. But once you start the question, once you start solving the question, what happens? At some point or other, you will encounter numerical values where you have to calculate or you have to simplify. That is in the last 2 to 3 steps, something like that. Okay, there if you go wrong, even though you learned the concept, even though you practiced a lot, here if you go wrong, what happens? You will get wrong answer. For the wrong answer also there will be an option. What do you think? You got the right answer and you will put the option. Okay, if you don't get the correct answer, that is one thing. If you are not getting the correct answer, what you will feel? Let me leave this question. You are saved. But if you go for the wrong answer, what happens? You are not just losing what? 1 mark, you are losing 4 marks plus 1 mark, that is 5 marks effectively you are losing. Because you knew that concept, okay, but because of the calculation error you are getting a wrong answer. So to avoid this exercise of simplification and approximation is very important to know. Okay, so let us get started. You may feel like school level we are doing, but it is important. There is no shame in learning the basics, because it is the basics that will decide how much well we can apply the concepts or apply our knowledge. See, you have studied first year, second year, you already have the knowledge. Here we are going to help you to apply those concepts, apply those knowledge. That is very important. Okay, so first thing we learn is what? BODMAS rule. So when I talk about BODMAS rule, if you see here, so see here, let me take some other color which is dark. Is it visible clearly? Visible clearly? Okay. BODMAS rule, here first thing we talk about brackets. Brackets. In physics also numericals brackets will come, okay, while doing. Okay, first thing we talk about is brackets, then this is off. This very rarely it comes in physics numericals, but still you should know. This is what? Division. And what about this? This is multiplication we are having. This is multiplication we are having. And then we have addition, and then followed by subtraction, and then followed by subtraction. These are the things that we have. Now if you look at brackets, okay, there are mainly 3 types of brackets which are very important to know. First thing is the square bracket that you have. Inside that what you will have? A flower bracket. Okay, inside that you will have a small bracket like this. So same way it will close like this: flower, small bracket, flower bracket, and also square bracket. So whenever you see a bracket, okay, always you should go from inside to outside. That means what? You should solve the questions that are there, the terms that are there, okay, evaluate the terms that are there within the small bracket, then flower bracket, then the square bracket. Okay, that you must know. Next thing is what? We are having something called off. Off also implies multiplication itself. Off also means it is multiplication itself. Okay, but what is the difference here? You have to know. Okay, here division is there, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. To know this difference, let us take some example. Suppose I write 12 of 2 divided by 4, okay, 12 of 2 divided by 4 if I write, okay, or if I write 2 of 12 divided by 4, okay, then if I write 2 into 12 divided by 4, what is the answer I will get? What is the answer I will get? Write down for both, what is the answer I will get? Will you get the same answer? What you will get? Here 6 you will get, okay, here 6 you will get, okay. So you will get what here? 6, okay. First what did you do here first? What did you do first? 2 into 12. What did you do? 2 into 12 did you do? What did you do first? See, basically is what they will do, they will think division is there. First what they will do? 12 divided by 4 and then they will do multiplication. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Here you got the same answer, fine. But actually that is not the way you should do. You should do what? First thing you should do multiplication here. 24 divided by 4, you will get what? 6. But here basically it is the same. Here you should do what? Division first. 12 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4 3s are, 3 into 2 you will get 6. So what is the difference between this off and this multiplication? This off is having higher priority than division. Okay, whenever off comes, first you should do off, then you should do division. But this multiplication is having lower priority than division. So whenever a term there is there with division and also multiplication, priority you should give for what? Division. So if there is off, okay, if there is off, see here, if there is off, multiplication and division in a single line term, okay, first priority is for this one, second priority for division, third priority for multiplication. That is what I wanted to imply here. Clear? This is what we have to do. Anyways, you won't encounter more questions on off kind of things in physics. Okay, let us take up some basic questions for you to do calculation. Through that you will understand the meaning of what I want to say, that is simplification. Let us take some standard questions. 45 minus we are having 36 minus we are having 29 minus we are having 25 minus 7 plus 4. This is what we are having. Okay, try to evaluate this. Next we are having, let me take up the second question also. Next we are having 252 divided by 51 minus 27 minus 9 minus 8 plus 7. This is what we are having. Okay, flower bracket, then the square bracket, then the square bracket. So see here, 45 minus, this is what we are having. Try to evaluate this value. First thing what we should do? Small bracket. Okay, small bracket if you do, what we will get? Okay, do find out the answer. I will give you 2 minutes, find out the answer. Let me check what you are getting. The question may look very basic, but you should be careful while solving. So in today's basic maths class, we are doing simplification and approximation, where we will test your knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's go back to school, but it is important to know this. What is the answer for first one? Just tell me, even if it is wrong, it's fine. There is no multiplication, only addition, subtraction is there. Why are you finding it difficult? Tell me the answer. What is the answer you get? $58 వచ్చిందా? ఓకే, మీకేమొచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? $32 కూడా వస్తుందా? 2 ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా? ఓకే, లెట్ us see. ఒక ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, చెక్ చేద్దాం. అదర్ ఆల్సో డూ. We may get many new answers we may get. Let us see. Only those who are watching, please put it in the comment section what the answer you are getting. Be fast. First answer minus 86. Okay, fine. Let us see. So if you observe, like I told you, while talking about what? Describing about BODMAS rule, I told you should do small bracket. Okay, here we are having 25, here we are having plus. Look at the plus numbers, 25 and 4. Here we are having minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4 is what? It is not 11. Like you wrote, it is not 11. Minus 7 plus 4 is what? Minus 3. It's okay if it is wrong, now you learn. Okay, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. So 25 minus 3 is what? 22. Okay, I'll get what here? This will give me, along with minus n if I take it, this will give me what? This will give me minus 3. 25 minus 3, 25 minus 3 I'll get it. This will be what? 22. So small bracket is removed. Outside what I am having? Flower bracket. 29 minus 22, this is the flower bracket. What I'll have? 29 minus 22 is what? 7. So this is what? 7. So we are having what? 7. So we are having 36 minus 7 within the square bracket. 36 minus 7. 36 minus 7 within the square bracket. 36 minus 7 is what? 29. Okay, so square bracket is removed. Outside what I am having? 45 minus 29. What is the answer I'll get? 16. Very simple. That's all you have to do. Okay, very simple. You will do what? 16 you will get the answer. 16 you will be getting the answer. Now I understand where you are struggling. Okay, suppose let us take some numbers which are having plus sign and minus signs. Then let us find out the values. Okay, I want you to find the value of okay, find out the value of this. No brackets, no anything. Okay, just you have to do these things. So for such thing what you have to do, first thing is what? Add all the plus terms together, then add all the minus terms together, then whichever is bigger, take the difference from bigger to smaller. Okay, first what you should do, where are the plus terms? Tell me, where are the plus terms here? Plus terms, 36 is plus term, yes. 8 is plus term. What about 36? 15. 15 is also plus term. Add all of this first. And adding all of this, what will get? So see here, 36 plus 8 is 44. 44 plus 15 is 59. Okay, we will get what? 59. So I got 59. Okay, now add all the minus terms. Now add all the minus terms. Minus terms are what? Minus 20, minus 52. Okay, now minus terms and adding, what I will get? Minus 20 plus 52 is what? Minus 72. Correct na? Minus 72. I will write what here? I will write here, I will write what? Minus 72. Minus 72 I will write. Now take the difference between the two. Okay, take the difference between the two. I am not telling subtraction, I am telling you to take the difference. Difference means bigger number minus smaller number. Which is the bigger number here? 72. Okay, 59 is a smaller number. Take the difference, 72 minus 59, the answer will be 13. 13. The answer will be 13. You took the difference. On taking the difference, you got the numerical value. But what about the sign? Which is having the bigger sign? This is a positive number, this is a negative number. Which is a bigger number? 72. So which sign I should put? Minus. Understood? This is how we will do. This is how we got to do. Okay, add all the plus term once and all the negative terms once, then take the difference. Okay, so some more examples on this, then only you will get clarity. Let me take the next page. Some more examples of this type. Find out the value of this. So identify the plus terms, identify the minus terms, add the plus terms together, add the minus terms together, then take the difference. That's it. So I hope you understood where you are lacking. It's not the physics concepts that you are lacking. You know the concepts. It's just the calculation parts. If that is sorted, definitely you will see a significant jump in your marks. So that's why this class will be useful for you definitely, because one thing is you will learn to calculate faster, and most importantly you will calculate correctly and you will calculate better. Of course, we will be doing the topics of differentiation, integration, quadratic equations, slopes, all these things. They are important for your physics concepts as well. That is important, but still we will go from the basics. Even we told 10 days of basic maths class, it's okay. Even if it is 15 days, no problem. We will cover the things. Again, you should not encounter any problem in calculation. So this one, if you look at it, so the plus terms are what? 38 is a plus term. 510 is a plus term, 1054. So add all of this. So 1000, see here. How I will calculate two things. See 200 is, see what is this? 500 is there here. 1000 is there. 1000 plus 500, 1500. Okay, 1500. Okay, 1500 plus 50 I will take. 1550. Okay, 1550 plus 10 is there. 1560. Okay, 1560. 1560 plus 30 is what? 590. 1590. 1590 plus 8 is what? 598. 1598 plus 4 is what? 598 plus 4 is what? 602. 1602. Without writing, we could do the calculation. Like this. See, I will visualize it as what? 1000. I will visualize this as 500. I will visualize this as 30. Okay, then it will be easy. What we got? 1602. So we got what? Plus terms as what? 1602. Okay, 1602 we got it. Plus terms are what? 1602 we got it. Okay, 1602. Now minus terms. See here, I will take this as what? I will take this as what? 20 minus 220, minus 200. See, I will take this as 20, I will take this as 200 or 230 only. 230 plus 20 is 250. 250. We are having what here? 700. 700 plus 250. 700 plus 250 is what? 950. See, 700 plus 250 is what? 950. 700 plus 100 is 800. 800 plus 100 is 900. Plus 50 is what? 950. Okay, we got 950. 950, what is this? 29. Okay, 950 plus 29 is what? 979. 979 plus 2 is what? 981. Okay, 981. So minus 981. Now take the difference. So the difference means what you will do? Here don't do the way I told. Write down and see. So 1602 into 981, that is what? Minus 981. So you have to take the difference means bigger numbers minus smaller number. Bigger number is this one. So 2 minus 1 is 1 itself. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, this will be what? 15. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. So 621. I will get the answer as what? 621. Which is bigger, smaller number? Which is the smaller number? Minus. Bigger number is the positive. So I can write it as what? 621. I can write plus or leave it as it is, that is plus only. Understood? So we got what? 621. Clear? Understood everyone? Got it? Like this we have to do the calculation. Okay, I hope it is clear. So enough of plus and minus, let us go further. Okay, I hope it is clear. With practice you will get it, don't worry. Now let us have a look at this question. Please have a look at the second question. So they were given 252 divided by 51 minus 27 minus 9 minus 8 plus 7. Now look at this. This is a small bracket. So if I have to do this, what I should do? 9 minus 8 plus 7. The plus numbers are what? 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. Otherwise you can take the difference here also. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 7 is what? 8. Okay. 27 minus 8 is what? 19. 27 minus 8 is what? 19. Okay. So I will have what? 51 minus 19. 51 minus 19, I got it. Okay. 51 minus 19. Okay. 51 minus 19. What I should do? 51 minus 19. 51 minus 19. So you remember, do 51 minus 20. 51 minus 20 is what? 31. So, but you took 20, but it is actually 19. So you should add 1. You will get what? 32. Okay, you will get what? 32. So you will get what? 252 divided by 32. Okay, 252 divided by 32. How you will write this? 252 divided by 32. You will write it like this. Okay, now what you will do? This ending with 2. This is also ending with 2. This is even number. Even any even number is divisible by 2. So you can take 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are. Okay, this is what? 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, what is this? 2 2s are 4. 1 is there. 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are. This is what? 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are. So further I cannot divide. So I will get what? 63 by 8. This is the final answer. I will get what? 63 by 8. Now remember one thing. If I say a divided by some value b, okay, definitely it should be a by b only. See, even if you are having smaller number, what people will do? Okay, 4 divided by 40 will be there. They will think we have to divide bigger number by smaller number. It's not like that. You should not write 40 by 4 here. It is not 40 by 4. It should be 4 by 40. It should be 4 by 40. It should be 4 by 40. A divided by b means you will write it as a by b. B divided by a means you will write it as what? B by a. Arthamainda? This is the thing you have to know. This is the thing you have to know. Very basic you have to know. So let us take up one more question. I mean such type of questions we will do more. Clear? Understood with this? Okay, let us take some other questions. They were given 364 minus lower bracket 142 minus 75 plus 38 minus 5 by 4 plus 14 by 8 plus 14 by 8. This will close. Okay, and we are having again, and we will have what? Flower bracket. This is what they are asking. So how to do this? So here look at this. We are having denominator also. That means directly we cannot take this value. We have to take LCM. So how to find the LCM? Listen, look at the board. When I am discussing, just look at the board. So 4 and 8 LCM. How to find out the LCM? Suppose here we are having 4 and 8. Will 4 divide 8? We look at the bigger number. Out of 4 and 8, okay, which is the bigger number? 8. Will 4 divide 8? Yes or no? 4 will divide 8. So LCM will be 8 only. Okay, otherwise what you will do? You will write like this. 4, 8, you will write like this and you will find out the LCM. Okay, that is fine, but don't use for all the things. Where you can directly find out LCM, for those things you don't write like that way. Okay, so suppose we are given numbers like 4, 8, 16. That is 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. We have to add, we think. So we have to first find what? LCM, definitely. We have to definitely first find what? LCM. Commas won't come. We have to find LCM. So see here, which is a bigger number out of this? 16. Will 4 divide 16? Will 8 divide 16? Yes. So LCM is what? 16. So LCM will be what? 16. LCM will be 16. Now let us take another example. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Okay, which is the bigger number? 12. Will 4 divide 12? Yes. But will 8 divide 12? No. It will not divide. Okay, will 4 divide 8? Yes. Now the LCM you have to find is, it is not between 4, 8, 12, because 4 will divide 8 also, 4 will divide 12 also. You have to find the LCM between 8 and 12. So 8 and 12, okay, how to find the LCM? LCM means what is that next number which is divisible by 8 and 12? We have to find out. Okay, so 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Definitely 24 will be the LCM. But you are not able to figure out, follow this method, normal method, that is what? 8 12. What you will do? 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, and 3 will be there, and this is what? 3 1s are. So what will this be? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. LCM is 24. Okay, I got the LCM 24. Let me find out the value of this. Let this be 3 by 4. Let this be let this be 3 by 4. Let this be 5 by 8. How to find out this? This will be 3 by 4. This will be 5 by 8. And what about this? Let this be 7 by 12. I want to find out these values. I want to find out these values. Or let this be minus 7 by 12. Let this be minus 7 by 12. So see here, 4. 24 if we divide by 4, what you will get quotient? 6. So 6 into 3 is what? 6 into this. Quotient 6 3 is a 18. 24 if you divide by what is the quotient? 3. 24 divided by 8 is what? 3. So 3 into 5 is what? 15 you will get. Next here it is minus. So 12. 24 if you divide by 12, what is the quotient? 2. Okay, 2 into 7 is what? 14. But it is minus 14. Minus 14. We have to find out this value. We have to find out this value. So what we will write? Directly I can write 15 minus 14 is what? 1. Here also same thing, what I told you, all the plus terms together, minus terms together, then you find the difference between them. And the bigger number which is having, put the sign of the bigger number, whether it is plus or minus. Here 15 and 14 take the difference, what will get? 1. What is the bigger number, 15 or 14? 15. So it will be plus 1. So it will become what? 18 plus 1 divided by 24. So the answer will be what? 19 by 24. Understood? 19 by 24. So this is just the way to find the LCM. I am not talking about this question. Still I have not gone to this question. I am just talking about how to find the LCM. How to find the LCM. But suppose they were given some numbers like this randomly. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus minus 7 by 5, something like this. Here will 3 divide 2? No. 2 will divide 5? No. 5 will divide 3? No. Nothing will divide each other. So that time LCM will be what? LCM will be multiplication of these numbers. LCM will be what? 3 into 2 into 5. Denominator will write the LCM. LCM will be what? These are all what? Prime numbers. LCM will be 3 into 2 into 5. LCM will be 3 into 2 into 5. It is not just for the prime number. Suppose you are given 1 by 9 plus 1 by 8. Will 9 and 8 divide each other? No. That time also LCM will be what? 9 into 8 only. I am not talking just about the prime numbers. When the denominator that is given, okay, when they don't divide each other, the LCM will be the multiplication of those numbers. The LCM will be what? The multiplication of those numbers. So we will write it as what? 3 into 2 into 5. So you can keep it like this only. Otherwise 3 into 2 is to 5 is what? 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30. Now see here 3 10s are, okay, 10 into 2 is what? 20. 2 15s are, 15 into 3 is what? 45. See, mandatory in the first class I told you, up till 20 you should learn the tables. That should be in your tips. Squares up till 20, cubes up till 20, you must know. Okay, that you take time, you take 10 days, 15 days time, but you have to learn. That will be helpful for you in the long run. Okay, so this will be what? 2 into 15, 15 into 3 is what? 45. Okay, 5 6 are, okay, 6 into 7 is what? 42. Now see here, 45 minus 42, 3. It is what? 3. So 20 plus 3 is what? 23. So I will get the answer as what? 23 by 30. Ardhamainda andarki? Clear? Got it, this one? Okay, so we are doing from the very scratch. Okay, some of you might feel very so much basic, but it is required. It is required, then only your calculation will become stronger and you will have that confidence. Okay, if your concepts are strong, calculation will be good, means definitely you can crack so many questions. Okay, let them give any tough paper, you will be able to do. Okay, if your calculation is stronger. Okay, done? Done, understood how to do LCM? Okay, now let us solve this question. So see here they were given within small bracket they were given minus, this is what? Not 5 by 4, this is minus 5 by 4 plus 14 by 8. LCM is what? 8 itself is the LCM. So I will write 8 here. So here nothing is other. Okay, let us find out only for this. You keep it as it is, 38 keep it as it is, don't touch it. Okay, wherever possible we should simplify, not complicate even more further. That's why the topic name is simplify, don't complicate it. Okay, so this will become what? 4 into how much? 4 into 2. So 2 into 5 is what? 10. So you should write what? Minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Then what we are having? 8 into 1 is what? 1. So this is what? Plus 14. Okay, plus 14. 14 minus 10 is what? 4. I'll get what? I'll get minus 4. Think correctly. Plus 14 minus 10. 14 is a bigger number. So I should write what? Plus 4. I should write plus 4. So this will become what? 4 by 8. Okay, minus 14 plus minus 10 is what? I'll get plus 4. 4 by 8 is what? 4 1s are 4 2s are. So I'll get what? 38 minus 1 by 2 I'll get. Now is nothing is there means 1. So 1 and 2 LCM is what? 2 only. 1 will always divide 2. 1 will divide any number. So 2 is the LCM. 1 2s are. So 2 into 38 is what? 76. 76. 76 minus 1, that is nothing but what? 75 by 2. So inside bracket what we got? 75 by 2. Okay, whatever is within here we got what? 75 by 2. So what about this small bracket again? If you take at this, look at this. So we will get what? 75 plus 75 by 2. 75 plus 75 by 2. LCM is what? Nothing is there means here it is 1. LCM is what? 2 again. 1 2 is 75 into 2 is what? 150. 75 into 2 is what? 150. Otherwise if you don't know, 72 into 70 into 2. That is 7 into 2 is what? 14. 70 means 0, 140. 5 into 2 is what? 10. 140 plus 10 is 150. So this is what? 2 ones are. This will be 75 only. 150 plus 75 is what? 225. So we will get the answer as what? 225 by 2. We will get the answer as what? 225 by 2. Now here we are having 364 minus 142 minus what we have got? 225 by 2. 225 by 2. Okay, either you can keep it like this and use the LCM, or you can do cancellation. So this is what? 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, 1 is left, 2 5s are 112.5. Okay, 112.5. Okay, so 364 minus 142 minus 112.5 we got. 112.5 we got it. Okay, so 112.5 we got it. 142 minus 112. Okay, let us simplify, or let us approximate. Instead of taking 112.5, let us take only 112 for this question. Let us take only 112. 142 minus 112 is how much? See, what you will get? Listen. 100 minus 100 is 0. We are having what? 42 minus 12. 42 minus 12 is what? 30. Which is the bigger number? 142. So plus, I should keep 30. Just 30. Okay, here we are having minus. Outside what we are having? 364. So 364 minus 30, 334. Very simple. We will get the answer as what? 334. Okay, if you take this as 0.5 also, we will get 333.5, something like that. Okay, clear? So you will approximate and write it as what? 334. Got it? Clear? Okay. Let us take the next question. Fine. Virat, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. Take care. Do give me a call when you are free. Next they have given, find the value of 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 3. This is what they have given. Please try this by yourself. First what we should do? Whatever is within the bracket. Try this question. See, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, all these things, you will get such kind of calculation only, plus or minus, all these things only. There if you are not strong with that basics, you will go wrong, even if you know the concepts. And in gravitation chapter, sometimes you may have to find the square, sometimes you may have to find the square root, to find escape velocity, all these things. That also we will learn, squares and square roots. So first what we have to do, what is within the bracket? Listen, so what is within the bracket? What will get 6? So what this will become 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 6 into 3. Next what I am supposed to do? Don't hesitate, even if it is wrong you have to tell me, you have to be interactive, then only you will learn. First, next what we should do? What we have to do next? Even if it is wrong, it's fine. Division. So as per the BODMAS rule, if multiplication is there, division is there, priority to give, we should give to what? Division. So we should do what? This division. So this division means what I should write? 3 by 6. Correct na? 3 by 6. Next what we are having? Into 3 into 2 plus 5. Okay. So this is what we are having. So this is what? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. See your, don't multiply. Wherever possible cancel. Then you do multiplication in the end for whatever is left out. Okay, don't do otherwise. Okay. So this will be what? 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Cancels. So we are having what? 5 plus 3? 8. 5 plus 3, 8. I understand when you see this, you will get tempted to multiply 6 into 3, 18, 2 into 3, 6. But don't do that. Don't go for the temptation. This will be what? 3 divided by 6 is what? First only you should do this only, division only. Clear? Okay, if you are done, we will go to next question. Let's take up the next question here itself. It is given 22 minus 6 minus flower bracket 10 minus 4 plus 3 flower bracket and then square bracket divided by 2 into 3 is equal to what? Okay, try this question. Just be back. Okay, fine then. Look at this, 22 minus 6 minus 10 minus 4 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3. This is what we are having. So 22 minus, so what we should do first thing, flower bracket is here, there is no small bracket, let us do flower bracket. So what we are having, 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 6 minus 9 we are having within what? Within this square bracket divided by 2 into 3. Keep it as it is. Outside we are having 22 minus. So 6 minus 9, what is the answer? Minus 3. Because 6 and 9, if you take the difference is what? 3. But the bigger number is 9. So for bigger number, what is the sign? Minus. So we should take what? Here minus is there. Here it will be minus 3. Outside also minus is there. Keep it as it is. So look at this. Minus into minus will become what? Plus. Minus into minus will become what? Plus. So this will become, I can write it as what? Directly I will write plus 3. 22 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3. Now tell me what I should do first. 3 divided by 2. This division I should do. So 22 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3. Can I cancel anything? Nothing I can cancel. So this will become what? 3 into 3, 9. So 22 plus 9 by 2. So if I take the LCM, I will get what? So this will be, LCM will be 2 only. So I will be getting 1 2 is 2. 2 into 22 is what? 44. 44 plus 9. That is nothing but what? 44 plus 9 is 53 by 2. 44 plus 9, how to find out? 44 plus 10 is 54. Plus 9 means it is I should reduce one, 53, 53 by 9, 53 by 2 it will be the answer. 53 by 2 will be the answer. Understood how to do it? Got it? Okay. Some more questions? Try this question, very nice question this is. Try this question, 8 minus 5 plus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 5 plus 8 okay, 5 plus 8 here there should be flower bracket. And there is a square bracket. Try this. How are you supposed to do this? So see here, small bracket, just observe, don't looking at the question, no need to panic, just see here, 8 minus 5 is what? 3, okay, 3 plus 8 is what? 11, okay, we will have what? 8 minus 11 here, okay, 8 minus 11 within this flower bracket. 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3, because it is minus 3, minus into minus is what? Plus 3 it will get, okay. So we are having what here? Flower bracket is removed, we are having here 5 plus 8 is what? 13, 5 plus 8 is what? 13, we are having 8 minus 13 plus 3, 8 minus 13 plus 3 we are having here, plus 3, okay, and then we are having plus 10, square bracket is over, outside we are having 8 minus. Now look at these numbers, look at the plus numbers, so see here 10 plus 3, 13, minus 13, plus 13, minus 13 I can cancel, I am having what? 8, I am having 8 minus 8, the answer will be 0, clear? The answer will be 0, got it? The answer would be 0, okay. So I will go to next type of questions where there is we are involving what fractions, what is it? Division by fractions, we will be seeing division by fractions, okay. So fractions will be there in the numerator also, denominator also fraction will be there, then how to do such type of questions? So suppose we are having like this, a by b divided by c by d is given, okay, that time how you will write? A by b divided by c by d you will be writing, a by d divided by c by d, this is what you will be writing, okay. But instead of doing like this, then you have to do reverse all these things. What you can do directly, what you do, a by b write it as it is, instead of division you convert to multiplication, division sign you multitask what? Take multiplication, instead of c by d do write ulta, that is what is it? Reciprocal, you will write it as what? D by c, d by c. By this way easily you can solve the question, by this way easily you can solve the question. Suppose we are given 20 by 16 divided by 20 by 16 divided by 25 by 8. This is what is given, divided by 25 by 8. So what I can write, 20 by 16 into, I can write what, flip it, this will become 8 by 25. So see here, 8 1s are 8 2s are 5 4s are 5 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, I'll get what, 2 by 5. I'll get the answer 2 by 5. I'll be getting the answer 2 by 5. Clear? I'll be getting the answer 2 by 5. So next, if you see, we'll see some questions of this type. (25) divided by 5 of 8 into 9 divided by 6 into 6 minus 3 minus 10 divided by 2 of 20. This is what is given. Try this. What is the answer? Okay, let us check. So see here, 9 divided by 6 into 6 minus 3. First what you will do, 6 minus 3, what you will get? 3. Okay, so what is within this bracket you will get? See, 9 divided by 6 into 3 you will get. Okay, this square bracket fine. Look at this one, 10 divided by 2 of 2. So what I should do? First I should do of 2 of 2 means this will be a 2 into 20. 2 multiplied by 20 is what? 40. So we will get what? 10 divided by 40 we will get. Okay, 10 divided by 40 means what I can write? 10 by 40. 0 0 cancels, I will get what? 1 by 4. So outside I will be having here, so this will be equal to what? 1 by 4 I will be having. Okay, I will be having 1 by 4 here. Here I will be having 1 by 4. Now look at this, 9 divided by 6 into 3. So first what I should do? Division, obviously. So 9 by 6 into 3. Okay, this is outside 1 by 4. Okay, this entire thing, see, this is what I am having outside. I am having 8. Okay, 8, 5 of 8 divided by 25. So this is within the square bracket. So I should do this first. This is what's here. 3 1s are, or I can write 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Okay, 3 will remain as it is. So I'll have what? 9 by 2. So here 9 by 2 will remain. So what I'll have? 9 by 2 into 8. Okay, 5 of 8 divided by 25. This is what 25 will be there, minus 1 by 4. Now if you look at this, what I should do first? Off. 5 8s are 40. So 5 8s are 40. So 25 divided by 5 8s are 40 into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So out of this, what I should do is division. So this division, let me do it here. So I should write what? 25 by 40 into 9 by 2. 25 by 40 into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 25 by 40 into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So if you look at this, this is 5 5s are, this is 5 8s are. So what we will have? 9 5s are 45. Okay, 9 5s are 45 by 8 2s are 16 minus 1 by 4. So 16 and 4, what is the LCM? 16 is the LCM. Okay, 16 is the LCM. So I'll write 16 here. So 16 1s are 1 5s are 41, 1 to 45 is 45. 4 4s are, this will be what? 4 1s are 4. So what I'll get? 45 minus 4 is 41 by 16. This is what we'll be getting. Even if you got wrong, it's okay, not a problem at all. I wanted you people to try. Understood this one? 41 by 16 will be the answer. Clear? This question try again by yourself when you have free time. Do try this, do give it a try. Now let us take one more question. The question is like this. It is given the question 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 into 36 by 45 divided by 24 by 25 minus 12 by 21 into 14 by 15 divided by 24 by 45 bracket close. Okay, again this bracket close plus 27 by 36 is equal to what? So how to do this? So there is division, but there is fraction also. So you should follow the method which I told you, that is convert division to multiplication. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేద్దామంటే ఫస్ట్ లోపల ఉన్న బ్రాకెట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 36 by 45 ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ 36 by 45 అలాగనే రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ డివిజన్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది. తర్వాత 24 by 25 ఉంది కదా, ఇది ఫ్లిప్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు 25 అవుతుంది, కింద 24 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 5 9s 5 5s. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 6 టేబుల్స్ యూజ్ చేద్దాం. 6 6s 6 4s. ఓకే, 3 2s 3 3s. ఓకే, 2 1s 2 2s. మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 5 డివైడెడ్ బై 3 2s 6 కదా. వీ విల్ గెట్ వాట్? 5 by 6. We will get what? 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6 we will be getting. Okay, 5 by 6 we will be getting. So here it will be what? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 into what is this? This will be what? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Let us look at this also. So we are having this division. So what I can write? 14 by 15 alage raskondi. Division will become multiplication. We will write what? 15 by 24. Okay, 15 1s 15 3s. Okay, 3 1s 3 8s, 2 7s 2 4s. So we will have what here? 7 by 4. But here multiplication ikkada undi. So we will have what? 12 by 21 into what is this we are having? 7 by 4. So this will be what? 7 1s 7 3s. Okay, 3 1s 3 4s, 4 1s 4 1s. We will have what? This entire term will become what? Equal to 1. This entire term will become equal to what? 1. So we are having 1 by 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 1 plus 27 by 36. This is what we have. Now look at this one. This will be what? 5 by 36. This will be 5 by 36 minus 1. Minus 1 means it is 1 by 1. I will have what? 5 by 36 minus 1 by 1. What is the LCM? 36. So this will be what? 5. What is this? 1 into 36. This will be 36. Now tell me the value. 5 minus 36. What is the answer? Minus 31. It is very important to know. It is minus 31. Okay, so we will have what? 1 by 8. What is this? Minus, because minus is the bigger number. This is minus 31 by 36 plus what we are having? 27 by 36. ఇప్పుడు 36 and 8, what is the LCM? You cannot take 36 because 8 will not divide 36. So what we will do, 36 and 8 if you take it, okay, so this is what 2 18s are, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 2 2s are, 3 3s are, and 2 1s are. So 2 1s are 2, okay, 3 3s are, 3 3s are, wait, 3 3s are, and again I should take 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So I will have what? 72 as the LCM. So 8 9s are 72. 9 into 1 is what? 9 minus 36 into 2. 36 into 2 is 72. So 2 into 31 is what? 62 minus 62 plus 36 2s are. 36 2s are is 72. So into 2 into what is this we are having? 2 into 27. 2 into 27 is 54. So we will have what? 54. Okay, put it chudandi. Plus 54 plus 9. 54 plus 9 is what? 63. 63 minus 62 is what? 1. So answer will be 1. So 1 by 72 is the answer. 1 by 72 will be the answer. Clear? Understood? Got it? You people understood? Got it? Understood? No? This is a question based on fractional division. Now let us take some square numbers. I told you in the yesterday's class. Those who missed, I'll tell again now. How to find the square of any 2-digit number. How to find the square of any 2-digit number. Okay, that means let us take some example like 28 square is required. You observe. Okay, 28 square is required. So what we should write? First we should write, since it is a 2-digit number, we should write what is this? 2 square is what? 4. I'll write 4 here, but I'll not just write 4. I'll write 04 because it is a 2-digit number. I'll write it as what? 04. 8 square is what? 64. I'll write 64 here. Now multiply these terms. 2 into 8 is what? 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 ఎలా రాసుకోవాలి? మధ్యలో రావాలి ఇది. Not here, not here. Okay, 32. If it is 3-digit number, it is fine. But one thing you have to remember, you should leave the first space empty. Suppose this here we are having numbers. Leave the first space empty. Here you write what? 2 8s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, this is what you should do. So 4 plus nothing is there means 0 only. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So you get the answer easily 784. Okay, like this you can find the square of any number. Suppose I want to find square of 79 square. So 7 square is what? 49. Okay, 9 square is what? 81. 7 9s are 63. 63 into 2 is what? 60 into 2 is 120. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 120 plus 6 is 126. Leave this first space empty. Write down 126 here. So what we will have? 1 plus 0 is what? 1 only. 8 plus 6 is 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, what we will have? 5 4 plus 2 6. 6 2 4 1. Like this you can find square of any 2-digit number. Okay, if you want to find, suppose we take 82 square. 82 square. Okay, so 8 square is what? 64. 2 square is what? 4. You should not write 4. You should write 2-digit, double digit. 04 you should write. Okay, always double digit it should come. Okay, next, how to find the square? See, this one what will be? 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. I'll write 32 here. This will be 4. Okay, this will be what? 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 6 7 2 4. You will get 6 7 2 4. So this is fine for 2-digit number. Suppose there is a 2-digit number ending with 5. Okay, suppose there is a 2-digit number ending with 5. So then how to find the square of those numbers? Okay, so for that what you have to do? Okay, you are writing it down. Write down first. Done? Okay. Suppose we are having 2-digit numbers ending with 5, like 35 square, 35 square, 45 square, 75 square, anything like that, 95 square, like this. So for this how to find out? Okay, 25 square also you can find out. Suppose 25 square if you want to find out. So 5 square means 25 square. 5 square means it will always end with 25. So this will be what? 25 you will write. Here you will not write 2 square 4. You won't do that. 2 followed by next number is what? 3. So 2 3s is how much? 6. You will get 625. So say 35 square means what you will write? 5 square you will write 25. Okay. Ending you will always write 25. This will be 3 followed by next number is what? 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 2 5. 5 square is what? 25. 4 followed by next number is what? 5. 4 5s are 20. 75 square how you will find out? 5 square. 5 square is 25. 7 into next number is what? 7 8s are 56. 5 square is what? This will be 25. 9 into the next number is what? 10. That is what? 9025. Clear? This is how you can find the square of any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number you can find out the square. Alright. Fine, then I will wind up now. Let's meet in the tomorrow session where we will be discussing even more concepts about simplification, approximation, and then we will start with the core concepts of basic maths like differentiation, integration, binomial theorem, all these things. Fair? Fine? Okay. Practice these questions again. Try by yourself, you have to get the right answer. Fine, then thank you. Let's meet in the tomorrow's morning session. Take care.